You wanted the best, and you got the best. The hottest band in the world.
Schmack-a-ma-gob. What's up, everybody? It's Black Sabbath Sunday. And I got a donation from Mr. John Goldwin. And this is going to be tough. And it's my favorite year of metal. Both these albums came out. Talking about Judas Priest, British Steel versus Ozzy Osbourne's Blizzard of Oz. Yes, I know this was released in the U.S. in 1981, but I had my friend, same guy that turned me on to Van Halen. Well, actually, it was my friend's brother. He was my friend, but not as close. He got this as an import, so I did hear this in 1980. But I didn't buy it till it was available here. Because I ain't paying those import prices when I'm a poor kid. This one I bought when it was new. I took my bike. I told this story before, and I'll tell it quick. Took my bike. I pedaled my bike like over an hour to get this album. Then on the way back home, I'm pedaling, and then I stopped to take a break at a little canal, and I'm sitting there. I'm looking at the albums. I'm seeing, wow, Breaking the Law, Rapid Fire, Metal Gods, Grinder. Jump back on my bike. I gotta hear these songs, and boy, was I not disappointed. A milestone, an amazing album that, you know, I've heard people complain about it. It's not that good. I personally think Judas Priest has not made a better album since this. I'm more into the 70s Priest, but I'll put this over Painkiller, Defender, Screaming, which I love all those albums, but I put this over it. This is great too. Now, of course, they're both historic. Which one do I like more? I gotta say, Hurts. But British Steel, I really, really love this album to death. All right, so let's do this. And the track listing's not on here, even though I know the track listing, but I don't want to mess up. So I don't know. Crazy Train, Romance, Goodbye to Romance, D, Suicide Solution, Mr. Crowley, No Bone Movies, Revelation, Mother Earth, and Steal Away the Night. But I can still mess up, so I took out the inner sleeve. And by the way, I'm doing the version that I grew up with, the US version, all right? I mean, I think the other version has a better opening, Rapid Fire, but I think it's like after Metal Gods, it goes into Breaking the Law. That is wrong. You know, hearing that riff, that grinder riff right after Metal Gods is so right. All right, so let's do this, okay? We got Breaking the Law versus I Don't Know. You know, and I love Breaking the Law. I can never get sick of that song. But I'm giving that one to Ozzy. All right, then we got Rapid Fire versus Crazy Train. No, I'm not picking Rapid Fire because Crazy Train's, played out. I'll prove how much I love Rapid Fire. We did a Judas Priest tribute show. I mean, we had to pick a Judas Priest song to do. And I picked Rapid Fire. That's how much I love it. And stick around. At the end of the video, you'll see me and Thrash and I performing Rapid Fire. All right. So then we got Metal Gods versus Goodbye to Romance. Love Goodbye to Romance, but no. Metal Gods. Then we got Grinder versus D. I love D, but it's such a little thing, and Grinder is just, man, no disrespect to my second favorite guitar player of all time, Randy Rhoads, and I love D. I do. I love D, and I know you love D's nuts. All right. Then we got United versus Suicide Solution, man. I love United. I've seen people bitch about that song. It's like, man, that song rules, man. But Suicide Solution, man, that rules harder. All right, that is the end of side one. So now we're going to pick a random album. And let's go up here. Let's go way up here. Oh, I picked two. The classic, the biggest selling Black Sabbath album, Paranoid. Electric Funeral, my favorite track off it. Every song on here rules. War Pigs, Planet Caravan, Hand of Doom, Rack Salad, Fairies Wear Boots, Iron Man, Paranoid. And then there's this. This is the Devil and Daughter single from Headless Cross, which has I believe it's a Tony Iommi, Cozy Powell interview, right? Let me looky here. Yeah. Exclusive interview with Dante of Raw Magazine featuring Tony Iommi, Cozy Powell, and Tony Martin. All three of them. I should play that again. See, I even forgot the great Tony Martin was on there. Alright. And it's Black Sabbath Sunday. Look what I picked. How awesome is that? Now we go to side 2. And Priest is in the lead, 3-2. Alright, then we got Living After Midnight versus Mr. Crowley. Love them both, but not even close. Mr. Crowley. It's a tie now. Alright, then we got You Don't Have to Be Old to Be Wise versus No Bone Movies. Man, they're both my least favorite songs on both these albums. Yes, I like United more. But they're both still great, man. I'm giving that to Priest. It was kind of close, though, I gotta admit. Then, The Rage, which is my favorite on here, versus, oh man, Revelation Mother Earth. That hurts, man. I'm giving it to Priest, though. That does hurt. Then Steeler versus Steal Away the Night. Hey, they both had the word steal. I'm giving it to Priest, but man, Steal Away the Night is so good. Man, Priest took over on this one. So John, Ozzy got 3 and Priest got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I gotta say, these two albums are not losers. They don't lose. They just, it's all luck of the draw. And that's the Blizzard of Oz right there. Daisley and Kerslake. Rest in peace, Lee Kerslake and Randy Rhoads. But this, amazing stuff. Anyway, thank you so much, John, for the donation. And if you'd like to donate, I got a PayPal in the description below. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not. So, stay frosty. Listen to Black Sabbath. And smack 'em a gob. Here's my band doing rapid fire. Check it out. Oh shit, now we gotta play it. Alright, man. Sink this shit in because we'll never play this again. This is a one-night thing. I'm gonna attempt to do Halford. That's right. I'm gonna do some Rob Halford now. And I didn't even suck a dick before the show. So you know it's gonna be hard. Painkiller, come on, what the fuck? Painkiller, you better line up some cocks outside, man. Better ram me up the ass to hit those fucking notes. Alright, this next song, it's off British Steel. It's a thrashy little number called Rapid